I'm working on this iDog tennis ball launcher again. It just won't power up. The way this you get to it, there's these handles here. There's 2 screws in each one of these side handles, one on this side and one on the other. You just remove the screws and then these pop out of the sides. And once you get these out, that's really the only thing holding them. Those handles engage these holes here. So once you get both of the side handles out, you can just go and pry up on this piece, this green piece, and it'll pop up out of the way. It's got these latches here that click into these openings here. And so then you can begin to get inside and do some troubleshooting. I've already checked the batteries. It's got 3 of these 18650s in here, and they're charged up. And I'm noticing there's 2 wires coming out of the screw here, and what that looks like is some sort of interlock that is like a switch. If that screw is pulled out, my theory is it won't allow this to power up. And the screw is in there, but it could be something wrong with that. So I'm going to check that first. I'm going to check and see if I've got a continuity between those parts there. And the way I'm going to do it, I'm going to back probe it. The pins. And I'll use these safety pins. These are big ones, but they'll work. I just clip these pins on here. And I'm also first just going to check for a voltage. And so I'm going to plug right into the back of that. See if I see a voltage first, and then I might, if I don't see a voltage, I might go to resistance. Okay, so I'm seeing a voltage there. And so that tells me that that screw is not making the connection there. I don't have a schematic, so I'm just kind of having a look at it and take a guess based on what I see. But you can see right here, the 2 cables, they both terminate right on the screw. So that's some sort of I'm guessing, some sort of a sensor. But I'm going to cut that and splice it myself up here. Just bypass that and see if that does anything. So I went and found the wireless remote for it, and I can activate it using the wireless remote. You can see the status lights come up. So I think what's going on, there's the push button in here, and I think this push button has gone bad. But I'm not gonna dig into that right now because my dog wants to play it. So I'm gonna let him play it. I'm just going to put it back together, and what's supposed to happen is these buttons are supposed to respond to this. Well, it's working now. So these give you different levels of launch, I guess. So I don't know what happened. It just started working. I found this was bad. This interlock. I just twisted the 2 wires together. But it didn't seem to start responding until I went and got this remote. So I'm just going to snap this back in place and let my dog play with it. Because that's the whole point. So there's a polarity to that. If you set that in there and you see that's not lining up with the handle holes, there's only one way this goes on. And I'm just going to snap it in. I'm going to leave the handles out because my dog is ready to play with it. I just got to find the ball. There's always some dirt that gets down in there too. But this thing is ready to go. Good dog. There you go.